Hey guys, it's Morgan, and today we're over here at the Port Orleans Riverside Resort. Not the French Quarters, the Riverside Resort. And as you can see, we're filming a pool today. Now lately, we've been getting asked a lot to film the pools, the arcades, the restaurants. So as you can see, today we're here filming a pool. Now, if you're not familiar with the Alligator Bayou section, let me walk you through it. You're in the mill, you come out of the restaurant, you take a left, and instead of heading towards the main pool across that bridge, you take another left. You should be right in front of a spinning water wheel. At that spinning water wheel, you continue down that path and you're in the Alligator Bayou section. There are two pools in the Alligator Bayou section before you get to the Magnolia Bend section. One thing I like about this pool is the shade. Not many pools have this anymore, and it's nice to see that this one does. It also has a lot of chairs, and I mean, look at the pool. That's a clean looking pool. If you're staying here, this is a pool that I would recommend you come to. If you guys have not already subscribed, now is the time to do so, and make sure you like this video. Also, check out our website at countrybeartourist.com, and it tells you all you need to know about our Stormtrooper hat giveaway. Well, that was one of the Alligator Bayou pools. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, peace out.